Alright, it's the first time I hit record on this brand new GoPro. Look at that. Back in the home mountains, coastal mountains, BC. Now I'm headed up to where that fella emailed us a couple weeks ago, and he shared with us a photo of that face, and he said that he watched it walk away. And I knew exactly where it was. So, I've got all my gear. After this, I'm going to head up north. And I've got all my gear with me. Meaning my Starlink stuff, my battery pack, charger. I put a new, what's it called, converter in my truck. What else do I got? I got everything. Looks a little foggy up there. I'm getting close to where this place is, so I got to go back my notes and make sure I get the exact right turn-offs to get in this little spot he was at, but I'm pretty sure I know where he was. And this is right exactly below where Sarah and I went up the mountain a couple years ago. I was trying to actually get to the back of Tri-Cooney where the wildlife biologist filmed that being, just out of curiosity, and looking for new deer spots too. I was curious of the zone in what else, 4 or 5 years ago, also dropped off that 700-pound hog right up here. It turns out where I dropped that over the bank was probably, it looked as though, as the crow flies, maybe 600 or 700 meters from where this guy's got his photograph. Coincidentally, and where my friend put on social media the skull from the wild boar, he called it, which he found way up here mountain biking. And that was a couple miles away from where I left it. Crazy, right? Got so many people email in encounters in this valley. It's off the chart. Is what it is. For whatever reason, these people frequent this area as well. So, am I nervous? Nope. Am I anticipating seeing one of these beings? Nope. Why am I doing this? Because I can. It's just good to get back. I've spent, 18 years running around these mountains. Majority by myself. Love it. It's my soul food. It's a little frustrating not living here anymore because that's a huge part of my life. And it's what I do. So, I'm going to go in there now and I'll hit record again as I turn off onto the road that leads there. And once I get in there, I'm going to do a live video. Crazy, and share with everybody what I'm gonna see. I'll be back. All right, so I set up the Starlink on the truck. But I guess it's just too steep here. These steep mountains at the bottom of the valley. It needs more sky to function properly so I can stream. So I did notice some forestry workers heading out the main line. So I'm going to go up there one more time and get another chance to see if they clear those trees off out of the way. And if they did, then I'll go up there. And hopefully it'll bust open more sky and I can get the Starlink going live and live feed. If not, I guess I'll have to video record with what I got and share it later on. So let's go up there and have one more look. It's kind of embarrassing. It's like some people, I go up the main line, bounce my way up here. The potholes are absolutely atrocious. And here's the guy sitting on the main line facing this way in his pickup. Window unrolled. My window is unrolled, this fat slob, and I'll call him a fat slob because he acted like one. And he's just sitting like this, looking straight ahead. I'm 10 feet from his face on a logging road. With the trees across the road in front of me. It's like he's not looking at me as if I'm the instant enemy or something. Some people, I'll tell you what, so now I didn't engage with them. And I'm going to turn around and go back up there one more time and I'll see what's up. Went too far to just turn around, right? It's only a few more kilometers back up there because 3 or 4 other vehicles head up that way too. And they haven't come back yet. So maybe they're waiting for somebody to cut the trees out. I don't know. Let's go have a look.